this is the calendar, and the calendar measures time as well. Now, tricky question, how do you think we move on from the clock, measuring time with a clock, to measuring time with a calendar? Anyone has got any ideas? Put your thinking caps on. Okay, I think you gave it a very big thought. And let's see. I will tell you. 24 hours on this clock. Remember, this one is measuring seconds, minutes, and hours. So hours, 24 hours on this clock. 12 one time and another time, make 24. All those 24 hours will make one day. So the calendar will start measuring the days. Okay, so the first day will be Monday, the second one will be Tuesday, the third one will be Wednesday, the fourth one will be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, the seventh one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days will make a week. So these days will form 1 week, and in weeks we measure time as well in weeks. These 7 days, to learn them quickly, we will sing a song together. Okay, are you ready? Steady? Go. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. One more time. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Well done, everyone. Now, the song starts with Sunday, okay? But our calendar usually starts with Monday. So this is the first day of the week. Monday, Tuesday, the second one, and so on, okay? To remember quickly, just keep in mind that Monday, the first day of the week, starts with capital M, from moon. So like it's the moon day, okay? And the last one, Sunday, has got the word sun. So it's the day of the sun. And one more tip to remember them, they all have the word day inside. Day, we say actually at the end. Okay, so everybody now you can read day, day, day. Okay, so all of them has got day at the end. And I'm gonna put Monday here on the calendar because today is Monday, and you can see day, Monday. Okay, and for today's challenge you will need your A4 paper. Okay, cut it in 8 equal rectangles. Write down the days of the week on each one of them. You will have 8. You will need actually to put 1 away to make 7 because there are 7 days in the week. And please order them by yourself. Okay, order them by yourself and send it to our email address. See you next time, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.